Hello and welcome. This is video number 8. You might be well aware if you have been following these videos, this is the 8th video in the video series of 30, how to build your online marketing business system. So really this is directed and aimed more so towards the PT, offline gym owner and an online or offline coach. So yeah, if you've been following me then awesome. Let me know your experiences down below. I'd love to hear from you. This is actually about your funnel stats. So by now you would have realized the importance of a funnel, more so over a website, the importance it is, and for your own confidence in your business and your sanity around chasing your tail, trying to generate leads into your business. It's always good to have a system in place, an online marketing machine as it were, in order for you to generate those high quality leads and clients into your business month on month. And that's where your sustainability, business growth and scalability will come into play as well once you've got this in place. And if I really knew then what I know now, I would have done things this way for sure. But I did things the old school way, and that's probably where you are right now. You're flying on the streets, you are, referring people or have like a referral client type scheme set up. Word of mouth is working well for you as well, which is awesome. However, you can't measure those types of marketing strategies. So in this video, it is basically, as mentioned, all about your funnel stats. If you know exactly where you are in each part of your funnel in terms of the targets we're going to reach, then you're going to have a great business system in place. Again, it will provide that certainty in your business. You can do this for future campaigns if you want to maybe launch another service or product or program, whatever it is. But if you get to understand the basics, and if you were to go to the overview part of this video series, I'll link it here on this video. You can just see the overview of the pages that we're about to discuss again in this video. So if this is of interest, then awesome, stick around and more to follow after this. Okay, welcome back, you driven business owner. This channel is all about learning how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business empire without all the tech overwhelm. This is the techie part of the 30-day video series, but I am here trying to offer you the guidance and knowledge step by step so you can easily take the information in these videos and implement into your business. If you do need a helping hand and you want to fast track your results, feel free to hire me, or there are other coaches out there, but more about my 2-week free trial at the end of this video. Before we get started, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and leave a comment below. I actually offer every single week to 3 new subscribers my business bundle, which includes a lead generation fix service, also along with a business survival kit. There's 2 free trainings in that bundle as well, along with a done for you funnel. So feel free to subscribe, like, and yeah, leave a comment. Let me know where you are in your business journey. So it's always good to understand your statistics, your funnel stats, and this is what this video is going to be talking to you about. So I'm going to bring up another slide as well, but basically we're going to go through, and I'll link again that link to the overview video, and it goes through those 4 pages, the 4 stages of the funnel. So really we're looking for a 25 to 35% click to application page. We're looking for 15 to 35% those who apply. The aftercare page, we're looking at a 75% response rate and a 75% enrollment stat as well. And basically, if you were to generate 10 leads, 7 would ideally respond and 4 to 5 will then sign up. And if you are to maybe charge for a 4 to 6 week program, £197, I'll link that video to determining your price of your 4 to 6 week program. Most people are happy around the £197 to £500 mark. I always suggest to my clients £197. It just works really well in the health and fitness industry. So if I'm to click off this, I'll show you to the next slide. And this is what we're actually working towards. This is what I would help achieve for you behind the scenes if you were to hire me for 2 weeks, as I offer that 2-week free trial, or this is what I would strongly suggest your side if you're doing it your side. So for every 100 clicks onto your Facebook advert, 100 people land on your bridge page, landing page. Let's say 25 to 35% click onwards to your application page, which works out to be 25 to 35 potential people, prospects, and then 15 to 35% apply from the application page. That works out to be between 4 and 12 leads who land on that aftercare page. And again, that aftercare page is really important because it helps the client reinforce their decision, gives them confidence, and they know exactly what the next step is. So that's where your conversions will increase if you have that in place in your funnel. And then from there, let's say you're looking towards a 75% response rate and a 75% enrollment rate as well. Again, these are very conservative, very easily achieved if we were to work the funnel well. And just to let you know, as a rough guideline here, if each click costs £2, that's £200 in ad spend for 4 to 12 leads, and that's on the sort of higher end of a cost per lead, sort of considered as a worse result. It's not a bad result, however, let's just say it is a worse result in this case. It works out £50 per cost per lead. However, on the other side of the scale, this is seen as the best result that you can get. You could be looking towards £16 cost per lead. Now, you can make loads of return on your investment, like 2, 3, 4 times, possibly, depending on your price of your program, if it was working out £50 cost per lead. But you can certainly crush it if you are working toward a £16 cost per lead. But again, you would only know these stats once you go live with your campaign, and that's going to happen in future videos in this video series. It's going to be very unlikely you're going to be paying more than £50 cost per lead, but don't worry, if you are there, you can still make money. Those who pay the most to acquire a lead actually wins, because really, even if your conversion rate is 50% of your leads, you will still double your money on the front end alone. Again, the key isn't really to make money on the front end of your funnel. If you do make money on the front end, that is fantastic. But remember, we are really trying to create and implement a break-even back-end model, because remember, the fortune is in the follow-up with your long-term value of your clients. That's when you're going to be making money off the back end. But if you were to use these metrics, use these as a rough guideline your side, then you can't go too wrong at all. So if you've got any questions, then please let me know. If you found this video helpful or useful, then give it a big thumbs up. If you want to press that bell notification button, it's going to let you know when the next video in this 30 video part series will get released. If you want to enter that contest, again, all you need to do is subscribe, like the video, and also leave a comment below. Would love to hear from you. Happy to send that business bundle to you. And yeah, I also have a quality client generation Facebook group where I answer questions more so there than what I do here, because I tend to get lost with YouTube. I'm more so on Facebook, but happy to answer them there. And if you click on the link in the description box, it will take you to my 3 online courses I have. Also, there are free trainings as well, so feel free to browse. You can also find me on my website, jenlillian.com. So life is how you create it, guys, and your business, I'm a big believer of, is that it's an extension of you. So if you're working well in your business, that means things are going on well in your inner game. But if you do need any extra help with meditations or mindset coaching, then I do have videos on my YouTube channel, so feel free to have a look. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.